Iloilo is a province of festivals, widely known in the Philippines and internationally for the Dinagyang festival. Ilonggos are fond of hosting festivals and fiestas. It could be in the form of a cultural festival, a religious fiesta that honors a patron saint, or the town or city's founding day. To join and celebrate in the year-long festive season, here's a compilation of major festivals and events in Iloilo. January, BINANOG Festival. BINANOG Festival showcases cultural presentation that highlights the Binanog dance, a courtship ritual dance that imitates the movements of the banog bird. This event is also done in honor of the infant Jesus. It is a celebration that features several activities, dance rituals, performances, and competitions that add fun and color to the festival. AREVALO Fiesta. AREVALO Fiesta is celebrated in honor of Santo Niño de Arevalo. Like most fiestas in the Philippines, the celebration begins with a Holy Mass, followed by a procession. Being the place of fireworks manufacturer, one of the highlights of the celebration is a fireworks display contest on the night of the event. Pasungay Festival. Pasungay Festival is one of the tourist attractions prepared by every San Joaquinhon for a long week celebration of their annual town fiesta. It is a festival of bull or carabao fight held in the municipality of San Joaquin. Dinagyang Festival. Dinagyang Festival is Iloilo's biggest religious and cultural festival. It is held in honor of Señor Santo Niño and to commemorate the arrival of Malay settlers in Panay. SAUG Festival. Lemerenhon celebrated SAUG Festival, portraying what kind of livelihood they have and giving thanks to God for all the blessings they received. SAUG, whose similar term in English to haul, means to move objects laid on bamboo sledge or karosa, hitched on a draft animal like carabao, is definitive symbol of the mode of production and cultural heritage of Lemerenhon. HINIRUGYAW-SUGUIDANONAY Festival. This festival presents two portions, a combination of pre-Hispanic celebration of the Suludnons or Panay Bukidnon and the Catholic tradition of Señor Santo Niño. It opens with the Sugidanon segment and ends in HINIRUGYAW. Chinese New Year. One of the biggest Chinese New Year celebrations in the Philippines. February, Candelaria Fiesta. Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria de Haro is a Marian title and image venerated by Filipino Catholics. On the day of the fiesta, one can expect a sea of devotees going to and from Haro Cathedral. Salakayan Festival. Salakayan is one of the most anticipated festivals around the province. Salakayan, from the root word salakay, meaning to attack, is a dance drama presentation that commemorates the historic battle between the people of Yagao and the Moro pirates. The Gigantes Parade is a special feature of the tribe competition. It is a popular attraction where several giants of popular figures in history of the town are being paraded on the streets. Parao Regatta Festival culminates on a Sunday with a race among seafarers on the colorful sailboats called paraos in the straits between Guimaras Island and the city of Iloilo. March, PINTADOS de PASI Festival. The festival is a week-long celebration celebrated starting the third week of March. Its highlight are the Karosa Parada, Pintalawas, and Carabao Painting Contest. This festival is a way to remember and relive the rich culture of the province. The word pintado means painted. Bantayan Festival. Bantayan Festival is a celebration of the birth of a new history and culture of the people of Gimbal as a tribute and reverence to the triumphant struggle of its ancestors for a meaningful existence. The magic of the gimba or drum and the bantayan or watchtower are the major features of the festival. April, SAAD Festival. SAAD was previously celebrated in April to commemorate the saint's death, but it was recently moved to January to remember his birth. SAAD, a Hiligaynon term for vow, displays a celebration defining the presence of God through the intercession of their patron saint Vicente Ferrer in every Leganesnon's life. LANOT Festival. LANOT Festival aims to bring public awareness on its multi-level relevance to all aspects of human endeavor to generate a continuous livelihood development. LANOT, also known as abaca fiber, is a byproduct extracted from abaca. It is durable, saltwater resistant, and versatile, wherein the use of this fiber dates back to Hispanic times when it was made as a docking rope to Spanish galleons. Taltal Festival. In the province of Iloilo, Taltal is a very important Lenten event and is religiously celebrated by the people of Barotac Viejo. A vow made in 1975 has drawn in many visitors to this town every year to witness the story of Christ's Passion. Other than the annual celebration of Patubas Festival, Taltal is a long-standing tradition of the town and is unique in Iloilo Province. Tampisaw Festival. Tampisaw is a Hiligaynon term which means to paddle in the water. The term actually mirrors on people of Concepcion and Concepcion itself because of its abundance of water resources and being the livelihood of the residents. Flores de Mayo is a festival held in the Philippines in the month of May. It is one of the May devotions to the Blessed Virgin Mary and lasts for the entire month. Tubong-Tubong Festival. Tubong-Tubong was established with its mission of promoting the cultural and artistic heritage of the people of Tubungan, Iloilo, derived from the Hiligaynon word tubong or to contribute. This festival is based on the local traditions of Filipinos called Bayanihan. KATAGMAN Festival. KATAGMAN Festival is a week-long annual cultural festival in Oton, Iloilo, to celebrate the town's foundation. It is derived from Katagman, the old name of Barangay San Antonio, which was incidentally the old center of the town. This celebration aims to give recognition to the cultural significance of the ancient golden mask dug from San Antonio in 1973. HAW-AS Festival. This celebration showcases the traits, beliefs, opinions, visions, unity, livelihood, aspirations, and products as they express appreciations for bountiful harvest and thanksgiving for successful surpassing trials and calamities. TANGYAN Festival. This festival is a celebration dedicated to the Tangyan River of Igbaras, considered as the beginning of their civilization. The river has been crucial to the livelihood and economic development of the community. The celebration recognizes the river's role in the lives of the people in Igbaras. June. Kasag Festival. Kasag Festival began in 2007 to market its popular industry, blue crab, a well-known and popular food among Ilonggos. It is organized and produced annually by the municipal government for the benefit of the residents of Banate. The festivity is a time for the community to celebrate the abundant resources that they receive from the sea. SULAY BASYA Festival. The SULAY BASYA Festival is a festival in honor of Saint John the Baptist and the baptism of Jesus, which started Jesus' evangelical mission. This festival is celebrated with water, the key element in baptisms. Pandayan Festival. The Pandayan Festival is a celebration of Badyangan's excellent blacksmithing traditions, which has been one of the main source of livelihood. The Pandayan Festival is highlighted with Igbarasnons performing informative and unique presentations with themes focusing on the town's local industries. BIRAW-PARAW Festival. The annual BIRAW-PARAW Festival provides a sailing environment for the benefit of community and visitors. The festival is to satisfy their social and recreational needs while fostering a spirit of camaraderie. September. HANDUK Festival. The HANDUK Festival is an annual dramatic cultural presentation in the municipality of Leon, Iloilo. It commemorates the transfer of Pueblo del Camando to Sitio Capan. TINUOM Festival. The TINUOM Festival is a celebration of the town's history and its popularly craved delicacy, TINUOM. This festival is one of the highlights of the 10-day Fiesta celebration of the municipality and is a colorful explosion of music and dances. Tambobo Festival. The Tambobo Festival fixates on the neighborhood product in Ahuy, where individuals store their merchandise for supervision and capacity purposes. The celebration is a thanksgiving for the town's human, material, and normal riches. Anihan Festival. This festival features a tribe competition which is characterized by street dancing and an interpretative dance depicting the practice, customs, and traditions of the Dueñasanons before or during the harvest season. October. Saludan Festival. The Pagdaog segment of the tribe competition is a dance drama presentation dedicated to the memory of all Tigbawanons in war and conflicts who sacrificed their lives in defense of their beloved town. Cry of Hilikyon. Considered to be one of the more promising festivals in the province of Iloilo, the Cry of Hilikyon commemorates the historic undertaking of our Ilonggo revolutionarios, led by General Martin Delgado and his company of voluntaries who swore the price of their lives to revolt against the Spanish government. Tigkaralag Festival. Tigkaralag Festival is Pavianhon's way of celebrating All Souls Day. Tigkaralag is a dance drama competition between the barangays in the district of Pabia. The festival is started with a parade of the contestants in Halloween costumes. Banaag Festival. This festival is a cultural tradition in Anilao, Iloilo, inspired by local sentinels during the Spanish era who guarded bamboo watchtowers and warned residents of incoming pirates by lighting the torch as a signal to flee. Thus, the torch became a precious symbol of unity for the Anilaonons. Kahilwayan Festival. The town's Kahilwayan Festival features presentation of occasions that prompted the open affirmation of the unrest in the Visayas that is presently known as the Cry of Santa Barbara. Kalamay Festival. The Kalamay Festival is held in tribute to the town's main crop, the sugarcane. The event features a dance parade depicting the labor-intensive process of producing sugar. Iwag Christmas Lights. The Iwag Festival of Pototan is the centerpiece of Iloilo's celebration during the Christmas season. Iwag is an Ilonggo term for light, organized by a private group way back in 1997. Iwag Festival is celebrated yearly in the town of Pototan and has been a visitor magnet in this side of Iloilo. It showcases the artistry of the people of Pototan in making those Christmas ornaments and giving them life. Pantat Festival. The Pantat Festival is Zaraga's biggest annual event which celebrates and aims to promote pantat production in the municipality. Fishermen in catfish costumes, dancers imitate the complex movements of this black fish to the rhythm of the beating drums. Pasidungog kay Senyor San Miguel. The annual tradition of celebrating Pasidungog kay Senyor San Miguel Festival in San Miguel, Iloilo, offers its people the opportunity to enhance camaraderie and fellowship where they give thanks and share their blessings. The festival is for the patron saint that was said to have come through and saved locals from the area from absolute death when they feel under siege from the rival bandits. Tultugan Festival. Tultugan is an indigenous Ilonggo bamboo drum used centuries ago by natives of Panay to communicate with each other. The drum was used by the natives to send messages of distress to the community by making fast beats. The festival features a competition between tribes wearing costumes with bamboo as dominant material and dancing to the beat of bamboo musical instruments. Also in the festival is the Guapo-Guapa Carabao, a contest of carabaos dressed in fancy costumes.